Let us discuss about law of multiple proportion. This law states that when two elements combine to form more than one compound, mass of one element combines with the mass of other element will be in a fixed ratio of whole number. Okay, let me explain with one example. When carbon combines with oxygen, when two elements carbon and oxygen combining, they are forming more than one compound, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. In this case, if I find weight of oxygen in first compound, carbon monoxide, how can I calculate? Take the weight of oxygen in the numerator and divide with the other element, that is carbon. Weight is 12. So it will be giving 1.33 grams. Similarly, weight of oxygen in second compound, compound B, will be, here two atoms we have, so we have to take 32. 32 divided by only one carbon, that is 12. So 2.66 grams. How can I take the ratio? I have to take, I want to show that oxygen is combining with carbon and forming compounds in fixed ratio, whole number ratio, that I want to show. So take the weights of oxygen in both the compounds. This is in compound A, that is carbon monoxide, and this is in compound B, that is carbon dioxide. So I can simplify this into 1:2. So here oxygen is combining with carbon in a fixed ratio, that is 1:2 ratio, to form these two compounds. So that what the law is stating. When two elements are combining and forming more than one compound, mass of one element combines with the other element should be in a fixed whole number ratio. You can see mass of oxygen that combining with carbon is in 1:2 ratio. Similarly, let me explain one more example, that is nitrogen and oxygen combines and forms more than one compound, that is nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. Now let's show that the oxygen that is combining with nitrogen, the mass of oxygen that is combining with nitrogen must be a simple whole number ratio. Let's start with compound A, that is NO. So mass of or weight of oxygen, how can I calculate? Write the weight of oxygen, only one atom we have, and weight of nitrogen. If I take this ratio, I am going to get the value, that is 1.14 grams. Similarly, in compound B, if I want to find weight of oxygen in in nitrogen dioxide, two oxygen atoms are there. So 16 plus 16, 32. 32, only one nitrogen atom, that is 14. That will be 2.28 grams. Now take the ratio of these two, 1.14 to 2.28. If I simplify this, I am going to get 1:2. So in both these compounds, NO and NO2, oxygen is, the mass of oxygen is in 1:2 ratio. That's what this law is stating. Let us discuss one more problem. How to solve problems on this concept. This is the problem. Lead forms two compounds with oxygen as given below. In compound A, the weights of lead and oxygen they have given. In compound B also they have given lead and oxygen weights. What they are asking? They are asking that the lead that is forming the two oxides, the mass of that will be existing in simple whole number ratio. We have to show that. So let's see the weight of lead in compound A is equal to, take the ratio simple, lead is 2.98 to that of oxygen, that is 4.61. Though grams is to be cancelled, that will be, what we are going to get here? We are going to get 6.46. Similarly, lead in compound B, weight of lead combines in compound B is 9.89 divided by 0.763. That will be 12.96. Now take the ratio of these two, because lead in both the compounds how the ratio will be? The ratio will be 6.46 to 12.96. If I simplify this, I am going to get 1:2 ratio. That means lead is combining with oxygen in both the compounds in 1:2 ratio. That's what we can prove by using this law. In this way, you can solve even problems on this law. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.